Davis with Fredericksburg Peach Company. This is our 26th year in business. Kind of started out with our family having a peach orchard in Texas in Fredericksburg. And I've been on the farm, started out in farmers markets, marketing direct to grocers, and now I market for about 35 smaller growers in the state. One thing in listening to these people I can say on their behalf is there does need to be an exemption for people that are at farmers markets that market directly to the public. I've now become a large commercial shipper for these 35 different growers. Work very closely with HEB. We've been to the safety training programs, have disseminated that to the other growers. But I have a transportation distribution company as well. There's so many things that can happen after food leaves the farm that I see on a daily basis. That's why I do transportation for HEB Whole Foods out of California coming back. If you actually get out in the produce world, you see that there's so much contamination that can happen that is completely outside of the realm of the farm, but at distribution facilities, packing sheds. I've had the occasion where I've had to ship my own product somewhere where I didn't have one of my own trucks available. You call a freight broker, a truck shows up, you open the back doors, and there's chicken blood or whatever. I mean, there's all kinds of things that you can have to cause contamination. So I see from the direct sales perspective for the people at the farmers market, and that doesn't impact me anymore because I don't do that, but I certainly agree with all of these people that as far as the U.S. government, those people need to be exempted, because I think the United States in general, we're talking about trying to protect the consumer through the grocers and having traceability back to the farms. We can do all of that. But one of the ideas that I had was, as a shipper, you can hire a federal inspector. You can make arrangements with USDA to have an inspector at your shipping facility and have him inspect product going out the door. I think a lot of these block grants and funds that are coming down the pike, like with my 30 some odd growers, my idea is to hire a USDA person or an FDA person and share the cost. Why can't we, if these are government mandated programs, then why can't we get a federal person that we can pay that can go around, and I think that would be a huge benefit to HEB or Whole Foods or Randall's or Kroger or whoever, whatever grocer, where they know that myself as a shipper, that the 30 growers that I represent, we have somebody that's going around from farm to farm. And so I just kind of wanted to, that was an idea I had that I'd like to pass on. And then I like the idea about having a database where instead of everything being funneled via paper, there needs to be a central website or something where the reporting can be, sent in. And I think the other point is, if you had somebody that could go around and help these growers with the paperwork, that would be a good thing.